Hello everyone, welcome to part 30 of Advanced eColumn series in Laravel 7, and in this video we will continue working on products module that we have started in last video. We able to create the products table in last video with the help of migration, and after that we have also inserted two products. You can see blue casual t-shirt and red casual t-shirt with the help of seeding. Okay, so in this video we are going to make the products panel in admin panel, same like we have did with categories. That panel we now will do for products. Okay, so let's start. Along with that panel we will also add active inactive feature for the products, and we'll also do the delete functionality. That is now quick because we have already added the function, that common function of deleting anything. Okay, so let's start. So first of all we will see the table that we have created for products. See, these are the columns that we have created, and these are the values that we have created from seeding. Now we are going to start with the route for that page. So we are going to make the page like we have done here for categories. In last few videos we have done like admin categories. Now we are going to make the route like admin/products. Okay, so let's start. First of all I will open web.php file, and we'll see here we have already made many categories routes that we are required for our categories module, and now it's the time to create the products route. Okay, so I will mention here products. Okay, so first route that we want for products to view the products. Okay, so I will give route get products, so we can display all the products all together in data table. So here the controller that we have created, products controller in last video, products controller, and here I'm going to make the products function. Okay, so this is the route for our products to display the products. Okay, so I'm going to open the products controller. Here is our products controller, and that is the part of the admin. In future we are going to make one more products controller for front as well, and this is for admin. You can see that this products controller is located in admin folder, in controllers admin folder. Okay, so here we are going to create the function for products. Okay, so let's create the function for products. Public function products, and in this function we are going to take one variable $products, and we will get all the products for here, enable, disable, all the products we will fetch here. Okay, and we will also add here our product model. Okay, so first of all we will debug. It is good idea to debug our code. Whatever we have done so far must be correct. Okay, so I'm going to debug this time. This code I'm going to debug products JSON decode, JSON encode, and $products. I'm going to see that whether our data is coming or not. We have two products there that we want to show in our admin panel, so we are going to do that those products are coming here or not, so that we can continue with our code. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to here now put products. Okay, so you can see both the products are coming. We have two products so far, blue casual t-shirt and red casual t-shirt, so both are coming. So like this you can also debug your code whenever you face some issue. Whenever the data is not coming, then you can simply check that whether the data is coming or not, and if it is not coming, then you can check that what is wrong with your code. Okay, so we can disable these two now, and after that we will just return these products to our blade file that we will create now. Admin, in admin we will create one folder, products folder, same like we have created categories folder earlier. So in admin we will create products folder, and inside products we are going to create file like products.blade.php file that we will create, and we will return, we will pass this products, we will pass this products JSON data, JSON array, JSON, okay, JSON string we are going to pass this products, okay, in that blade file. So now we are going to create that products folder, resources, views, admin, okay, same like we have created sections, categories, and now it's the time to create products, okay. So I am going to create the products folder here like this, okay. So now inside this products folder I am going to create one file. If you are in Windows, then you can simply go inside the folder and right click and can create that notepad file and rename that file to products.blade.php file. But if you are in Mac, then there is some other way to create. We can create the file like this: touch products.blade.php, okay. So Mac users must know that you can create the file like this, so you can, so our file is ready, okay. So I am going to check out this file here. This is empty file, but I am going to copy this structure from categories.blade.php file, because we have already get this structure from LTE admin template. We have already make our display structure from there, so there is no need to copy that structure from admin template once again, because now we have the template, okay. So we can straight away copy that template to here, okay. So we can check categories.blade.php file, see the template is ready. So I can just copy and just paste here. It will save our time. No need to go in admin LT template again and copy that display structure, and also your template, your display structure, your ad structure, everything must be same, okay, for the admin panel to make it look professional. So now see, I have just copied the complete file, categories file to products, and now we are going to make changes. See, catalogs will remain same, it will become the part of this one, okay. So the rest of the things we are going to change, like here I am going to replace this one, categories I am going to replace, and I can do like this. All I will do once products, okay, here, and other things also, like these one products. See here, ID also we can give like this, ID equal to products, okay, for our table, okay. So rest of the things, see here. Now we want to show here some of the product data we want to show here, okay. Like I'm going to show product name, product code, product color, status, okay, this is not required, status, okay. So here we can take, put it like this. This one is not required, we can remove this one right now, okay. And this one I can simply change all, okay, to product. Now we can remove unwanted data here, it is not required, okay. So now product name, then product code, okay, and after that here it must be product color, and after that this one is not required, then status will come, fine, okay. So see, this one we will now make the status active, inactive, like update product status, okay. we can do it like this: update product status, and rest we have made changes with the id. Now earlier on we are using the category id, and now we are using the product id. Okay, product hyphen we have given. Okay, and in product underscore id, earlier on we are using category underscore id, now we are using product underscore id. So you can do this such kind of changes very easily. Okay, we have already having this script. Okay, everything is ready. Okay, so you just need to make product instead of category for status. Okay, and this one is fine, and this confirm lit here in record you just need to pass product. Okay, and in record id you will just need to pass product id. Okay, earlier on we are just passing category and category id. So see, this simple, very simple. For delete active inactive, just you need to replace category id with the product id and category with product. Okay, that is very simple. Okay, so other things we have also done. We will check once that everything we have changed in this file or not. I will just search here. Category is here we need to make it add product. Okay, and here we will make it add edit product. This one we will do even later, but we will just correct its name. Okay, rest everything is fine. Okay, so now we can check out that whether our see here the products have come up here. Both the products are showing now in products page. Blue casual t-shirt and red casual t-shirts both are coming fine. Their product code and product color is also coming. Okay, along with status and actions, everything seems to be perfect. Okay, so these are the products you can check out that we have created these products here. Okay, so now we will also work on this one, active inactive and delete functionality. Very simple, both are very simple, so it will not take much time. We will just add the routes for both. First of all, we will just add the routes for both in the same way like we have created the routes for the category. You can even copy paste this route and can make changes. Okay, so that it will save your time. Update category status, instead of update category status we will make update product status. Very simple. And here instead of category controller we will just make it products controller, and here we will make it update product status. Okay, that is fine. Okay, so now this function we are going to create inside products controller, and we can copy this function from category controller itself because it is almost identical. Only few changes you need to do. See, I just copy this function from here and I will just paste it here. Okay, so update category status, just you need to modify it to product, update product status. Okay, and here we will just want product here instead of category. Okay, and here it must come product id because we are passing the product id from there, not the category id. Okay, so very simple thing you need to do. Our function is ready and our active inactive script is almost ready. One more thing we need to do, we need to just add the Jquery script, and Jquery script we are going to add, we are going to update the page, we are going to update admin script page. Okay, so admin underscore script js file, we are going to add our Jquery function here. Okay, so I am going to add the Jquery function similar to update category status. Now I am going to add the update product status. So I will copy this function. So see the benefit, we have already done all these things, so it will not take much time. So here I am going to copy, and now this time we are going to update the product status. So update product status, and here also we are going to give, instead of category we will give product status, and here we are going to make category id. I am going to replace everywhere it to product underscore id. Okay, so this one I can replace it to product underscore id. Okay, so here I am going to make it update product status, the route that we have created earlier, and here also category will come in both places. See here. Okay, I will do like this, then see category product, spelling must be correct, and here also. So all done. Now we can check that it is working fine or not. I am going to refresh here and we'll see status is converting to inactive or not, and some error is coming. I'm going to check what error is coming here. So we need to debug the error. So I am going to open that console. I'm going to open it like this. Okay, sometime it happens, but we need to debug and resolve the issue. Whatever error will come, we will resolve it. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to click on active, and here the error is coming. I will just check that what error is coming. Okay, CSRF token error is coming. Okay, so we can do one thing for admin panel. We don't care about this kind of error because it's for admin, because admin going to use so we will just add this one in here. We are just going to add the route here so that it will save our time, but for front we will not add the route here. For front we are going to add the token. We are going to add the token script in our jQuery. Okay, because front we want to make it more secure. Okay, and admin we are already admin is going to use, no user will not come there because we have a that login panel is our secure. Okay, so here we want to add that URL, which one it is. It is update status URL. Okay, we are going to copy this URL, this update product status. Okay, so simple way is to add this URL there in verify CSRF token to skip the token verification here. Okay, so here it like this. Okay, so as the admin is not public, so we can add the URLs here for the admin. You can see all other are the admin URLs, admin, because admin is not public, admin is private to someone. So you can add the URLs here, but we will not add the front URLs here. We will only add if the issue not get resolved. Okay, so now this one is done. Now we can check once again. I'm going to copy. I'm going to see. I'm going to refresh, and we'll see now. See now the status is now updating instantly with Ajax. Okay, so now this time we have able to do like I both make it inactive. Okay, you can refresh, it is inactive only. Okay, so we able to update the status to active and inactive. You can check here, like one of the status is active and another one is inactive. So you can check here, it must be 0 and 1. Okay, you can see here, sorry, 1 and 0. See, it is active, it is 1, fine, and it is inactive and it is 0. Okay, so active is for 1 and inactive it is for 0. You can say 0 is for inactive and 1 is for active. Okay, so this status is also done. And last thing we want to do in this video is the delete functionality, and that is also very simple. We just need to add the route for the delete in the same way like delete category route. This one I am going to copy for product, and we'll make the change here. I am going to make it delete product route. Okay, and here ProductsController, and here I am going to add the function delete product. Okay, and I am going to add the function from here. You can add that delete product delete category. I am going to copy this one function and we'll paste this function here. We already have much of the code. Okay, so it will really help us to make our task faster. Here I am going to do delete category, select like this, and here I am going to make product. Done, nothing else. Okay, very simple. We have added the delete product function. Okay, just very simple function we have added, and now we are going to test the delete functionality as well. Okay, so I am going to delete one of the category, and I'm going to see like, oh, it is also asking us. You can see it is going to that sweet alert that we have done a few videos back, and we are doing this function. This function is our dynamic function that can be used for all our modules, not only category, products, okay, even vouchers we will do later on, orders, okay. So it is going to, we are going to use this for our complete admin panel. So it is the benefit of making the things dynamic. So you need not to rewrite your code again and again, okay. Otherwise we need to make such kind of function again, okay. So here what we are using, very simple thing we are using, we are just passing record. In record we are passing the table name, you can see the module name we are passing, and record id, that module id means that record id we are passing, that product id, like, okay. So very simple thing, like in category we are just passing here category and category id, and here we are passing product and product id, okay. And here we are receiving these both and just passing it here. And now we are making the route dynamic, whatever we are passing from there. See here, routes for all delete must be matching, like all must be like delete hyphen category, delete hyphen product, because we are passing that module name like product category in the place of record, and then its id, that whichever it is id. So means that makes our function dynamic, okay. So that's why it is working perfectly. So now just if it will ask delete, if you will cancel then it will not delete, and if you will yes delete it, then it is going to delete this one, okay. So there are few errors again coming, so we need to add few more things like session you need to add here. So no issue, we will add session here as well, and I will go back and will refresh and will see, okay, that entry has been deleted, but no issue, we are going to delete this one, delete, and yes delete it. And now it has been deleted, product has been deleted successfully. Now this time we are able to delete this one as well, okay. So I will insert the data once again by running that seeding command. That is the benefit of seeding command that we have done in last video. We want some test data, and I don't want to insert rows one by one. I don't want to insert, I just want to run that db seed command, because we have the ready seeding that file, we are already having a ready file, that ready-made file, ready-made, you can see that file, that one, what is its name, seeding seed, what we have created that file in last video. That file name is I forgot that file name, and that file name is something, let me see which file we have created in last video. That file name is products table seeder, okay. So that file name is products table seeder, okay. So we already having this file, so just need to run one command and our purpose is resolved. I will just do one thing here, see ecom right click, new terminal and folder, and here php artisan db seed, see, done. Now see our values will be back here, okay. So see here, once again we have created, we have inserted two of the products, and that is the benefit of seeding that I am talking from a long time. From the first video I am talking that how seeding will help us, okay. So migration and seeding are the two commands that if you are using Laravel you must use them, because in some time in future you are going to take benefit of those. So that's why that Laravel expert make this thing, okay. So now our means records are already there, so we can now try once again, because last time one error has come. So now we can try now. See, if you want to cancel you can cancel, if you want to delete, yes delete it, then it will delete, okay. So like this you can delete all your records one by one if you want to delete, okay. I'm going to create once again for the next video, okay, like this, okay. Now it is done, exit, fine. Now we can refresh, okay. So in this video I will just review our steps, okay. So simple steps we have done. We have made this page, that products panel we have made, okay. And one more thing I'm going to see, Okay, so one more thing we need to do here, we need to add this one. See, the data table is here. We need to add this one. I will tell you. We can remove this one and see here, we have created this data table and we have added the ID as products. Okay, but we have not added its jQuery, so we need to add the data table jQuery as well. And for that I will open that admin layout, I think admin layout.bay.php file, and here I am going to see like data table categories, and here we need to add for products as well. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to refresh. Now you can see it is coming, search is now coming. So really good thing here, like if you will search here red color t-shirt, it is going to search. So we have added this kind of data table. So now it is looking perfect. Also paging is there. Okay, so now it is ready. So we have created this panel in this video. Along with that we have done active inactive status, and along with that we have done the delete functionality as well. Okay, so we can also add the products here at left sidebar. Okay, you can simply open the admin sidebar here, and you can add here after categories, you can add the products as well. Okay, just copy and paste it here, and here you will just give products, and here also give products. Okay, so we can add it like this. And if you are opening products, then we need to highlight this products. Now we are going to see active ProductsController. So there is one session we need to add, same like in category controller. We will check out, see this one, session put page categories. Now session put page products, that we are going to add it. Okay, and here we are going to add it like products like this. Okay, so now it will be fine. Okay, you can see when you are selecting products, then it will coming in products module, and when you are selecting categories, then the categories module is coming. See, products module is coming, section module is coming. Okay, so now our products module is ready. In next video we are going to show other columns that are required, like this product belongs to which category, this product belongs to which section. Okay, I already explained to you in last video that there are few things that we need to take notice right from the beginning. Like these are the sections, and these are the categories, this is the subcategory, and these are the products that we have added. Okay, so now we have added these products, but we also need to show its subcategory, that is the formal t-shirts. We also need to show the section, that are the men, women, kids. Okay, so that we are clear that this product is belong to which category and which section. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in next video, and after that we are going to work on add edit product functionality. So stay tuned for that, and if you have any queries, you can surely contact me in video description. Okay, and one more thing, you can subscribe, free of cost, that is fine, but you can also join as a channel member, that I have explained also a few videos back, that if you will join as a channel member, then I will spend more time for you, so that you can gain Laravel, you can become the Laravel expert. Okay, so you can also join that if you want. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.